Remote, awe-inspiring, full of wonder, the Antarctic Ocean, our fragile backyard, teeming with life. And now under attack. Massive factory ships are hoovering up tons of krill and threatening the food chain. Without krill, life in the Antarctic will vanish. But you can help protect this endangered wonderland. Text whale to 963. Right now, Greenpeace is in Antarctica with scientists and researchers building a case for the largest ocean sanctuary on Earth. Join the global movement. Let's protect this fragile place before it disappears. Text whale to 963.